Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to Singapore and welcome to join the Plan FM Bridge program today. The Plan FM stands for Bridging Planning and Reasoning in Natural Language with Foundation Models. This bridge program is organized by Wenjun, Conry, Harsha, Shirin, and many, with the guidance from Biplav and Pradeep. Okay. We are excited to bring together researchers from NLP, planning, and robotics to explore the foundation models, how they are reshaping the planning in modern research. This is organizers and advisors. So for today's agenda, we will start the morning with opening remarks followed by two tutorials, a brief introduction to AI planning, and a session on real-world applications and benchmarks. In the late morning, we will have an invited talk by Davy Xu, a well-known researcher working on robotics, followed by a set of contributor talks. During the lunch break, we will have a mentor-mentee program. We will resume with the invited talk by Poki Verma, a young researcher working in planning and robotics, by another talk by Asim Manua, an experienced researcher in LLM and AI planning. There will be two contributor talks in between. We will wrap up the day with a closing remark and poster session. We hope this mix of tutorial talk and discussion sparks a productive cross-community exchange throughout the day. Okay. First, I want to introduce our motivation for today's bridge. Why do we hold this bridge program today? Why do we bring the researchers from different communities together? We can see LM large language models were originally trained for narrow objective predicting the next word. Yet the past years, we've seen something unexpected happen. These models now perform remarkably well on tasks that look very much like reasoning. And building on that success, many of us start using LMs not just to generate text, but to generate action plans and make decisions, to interact with the environments over multiple states. So this common intuition behind is that after being on the vast amount of data, LM may have some kind of word model internally. And based on that word model, the LM can now generate plans and interact with the environments, which is something pretty much like the planning. Okay. So what makes this moment particularly interesting is that the shift is not happening just in one community. In natural language processing, we see LMs used for chain of thought reasoning, tool use, and autonomous agents. In planning, we see renewed interest in language-based representations, abstractions, and learning-guided search. In robotics, foundation models are also increasingly used in reason about the actions, uncertainty, and long-horizon tasks in the physical world. So across these areas, foundation models are now being treated as agents that plan, observe, and adapt. Despite working on closely related problems, these communities often operate in parallel. They use different tools, vocabulary, and some words also sometimes mean different things. So our motivation for this program is to bring this community together and so that we can move forward together. Our motivation to have this planning and reasoning program is to foster interactions between NLP, planning, and robotics communities. We want to provide a platform to discuss and exchange ideas. And as well, at the same time, we want to identify opportunities and pinpoint the critical challenges. Okay. A few reminders for today. Please set up your posters for the first session. The first session is on the second floor. The number is 18001 and 18001 and 18006. Speakers, you should upload your slides via online or on this laptop. And the students and the mentor, you can register for a lunch with mentor. Mentors are also self-volunteer to sign up on this sheet on the table. Okay, next let's welcome Shirin from IBM Research to give a tutorial on AI planning. I think